Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. You must be in Norway and pass the relevant story gate, and you should carry stamina-boosting gear. Once clear, set your waypoint to the waterfall at the fjord's north bend and approach from the river rather than overland. Make sure to equip a ranged weapon for any patrols and ready a boat or ride to keep momentum. This opening setup gets you into the proper position fast and avoids backtracking mid-attempt. Once positioned upstream, hug the left bank where a subtle ledge hides beneath foliage. This line reduces current push and reveals climbable stone. You then sprint jump and hold the grab action to latch on to low overhangs, chaining climbs to gain height slowly. If an obstruction blocks the upper path, use a charged attack or explosive arrow to remove wooden supports. This clears the way and causes a controlled collapse that reveals the waterfall aperture. You now drop through the gap created beneath the waterfall, hold your shield, or use a controlled stagger to reduce fall damage, then immediately light a torch as tunnels are dark and traps can hide. Move slowly, listening for water echoes that mark the inner chamber, and activate visible switches to open sealed doors. If the entrance stays sealed, reload the last checkpoint and repeat the ledge collapse method. Desynchronization can leave supports intact, so a quick retry usually resolves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.